This is the curry spice recipe video I promised. We start by first identifying the ingredients. We have cumin powder, we have coriander powder, we have black pepper seed powder, we have ginger powder, we have cayenne pepper powder, we have mustard seed powder, we have cardamom powder, and then we have the turmeric powder. If you notice the powders are not so smooth, I did that purposely so that when I put them together, it will mix nicely to smooth powder in my blender. So I'm going to transfer them into my blender and blend to smooth. Yup. So this is our curry powder. If you don't have a blender that can blend to fine powder, it's okay to sieve your mix, then repeat till you are satisfied with the texture of the powder that you have. I hope you found this very helpful. See you in my next video.